Among the world's most distinctive vegetables, the artichoke stands out for both its appearance and its remarkable versatility. Wrapped in tightly layered green leaves and hiding a tender heart at its center, the artichoke is unlike almost any other ingredient found in the kitchen. While its unusual shape may seem intimidating at first, it has earned a place in countless traditional recipes and modern dishes because of its unique flavor, satisfying texture, and impressive nutritional profile. Although commonly treated as a vegetable, the artichoke is actually the immature flower bud of a thistle-like plant. If left unharvested, the bud eventually blooms into a striking purple flower, revealing its botanical identity. Harvesting it before flowering preserves the tender portions that have been enjoyed for centuries across many cultures. Today, artichokes are cultivated on several continents and appear in a wide variety of cuisines. They are especially celebrated throughout the Mediterranean, where they have long been a staple ingredient, but their popularity has spread worldwide. Fresh, canned, frozen, or marinated, artichokes can be incorporated into everything from elegant appetizers to hearty main courses. One of the greatest strengths of the artichoke is its adaptability in the kitchen. It complements both simple home cooking and sophisticated restaurant cuisine, pairing beautifully with ingredients such as olive oil, garlic, herbs, citrus fruits, butter, cheese, seafood, poultry, grains, and fresh vegetables. Fresh globe artichokes may be steamed until tender, boiled and served with dipping sauces, roasted to develop a rich caramelized flavor, grilled for a smoky finish, braised in herbs and broth, stuffed with breadcrumbs, cheese, or meats, fried until crisp and golden. Prepared artichoke hearts are equally versatile, making convenient additions to pizzas, salads, sandwiches, pasta dishes, risottos, omelets, casseroles, soups, and antipasto platters. Their mild, earthy taste allows them to blend seamlessly into countless recipes while still contributing their own distinctive character. An artichoke is made up of several edible and non-edible parts, each contributing to the eating experience. The tough outer leaves, known as bracts, protect the tender interior. As the leaves are removed one by one after cooking, the soft flesh at their bases can be scraped off with the teeth. Progressively closer to the center, the leaves become more delicate and contain more edible flesh. At the heart of the bud lies the prized artichoke heart, considered the finest part because of its tender texture and delicate flavor. Covering the heart is a fibrous layer called the choke, which consists of immature flower fibers. This portion is generally removed before eating, as it is unpleasantly stringy. The stem should not be overlooked. When peeled properly, its inner flesh is tender and closely resembles the heart in both flavor and texture, making it an excellent addition to many recipes. The story of the artichoke stretches back thousands of years to the Mediterranean region, where its wild ancestors naturally flourished. Through generations of careful cultivation and selective breeding, farmers gradually transformed these wild thistles into the larger, more tender vegetable known today. For centuries, artichokes have played an important role in Mediterranean agriculture and cuisine. They became especially valued in countries such as Italy, Spain, France, and Greece, where regional growing conditions allowed numerous local varieties to develop. As trade routes expanded and agricultural knowledge spread, artichokes gradually reached other parts of Europe and eventually the Americas, Africa, Australia, and parts of Asia. Today, they are grown commercially in many temperate climates around the world. The flavor of an artichoke is subtle yet memorable. Many people describe it as a combination of earthy, nutty, slightly sweet, and mildly bitter notes. The exact taste varies depending on the variety, growing conditions, and cooking method. Steaming preserves the vegetable's delicate natural flavor, while roasting enhances its sweetness through caramelization. Grilling introduces smoky notes, and braising allows the artichoke to absorb the flavors of herbs, garlic, wine, or broth. One fascinating characteristic of artichokes is their effect on taste perception. Certain naturally occurring compounds can temporarily make water, and some foods taste sweeter immediately after eating an artichoke. This unusual sensory experience has intrigued scientists and chefs alike for many years. Artichokes offer much more than culinary appeal. They are naturally low in fat while providing a wide range of nutrients that contribute to a balanced diet. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and promotes feelings of fullness. They also contain useful amounts of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, magnesium, manganese. In addition, artichokes contain a variety of naturally occurring plant compounds, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which have attracted scientific interest because of their antioxidant properties. While research continues to explore their biological effects, artichokes are best appreciated as one component of an overall healthy eating pattern rather than as a miracle food. Few vegetables combine beauty, history, nutrition, and culinary versatility as successfully as the artichoke. Its striking appearance, unusual botanical structure, and interactive way of eating make it unlike almost any other ingredient. Preparing a whole artichoke is almost a culinary ritual. Rather than simply cutting it into pieces, diners often work through the leaves individually before finally reaching the tender heart hidden inside. This gradual experience encourages people to slow down and appreciate both the texture and flavor of each part of the vegetable. Its ability to pair with an enormous variety of ingredients also explains why artichokes remain popular among both professional chefs and home cooks. Whether served as the centerpiece of a meal or as a complementary ingredient, they consistently add elegance, depth of flavor, and visual appeal. The artichoke is far more than an ordinary vegetable. It represents centuries of agricultural development, reflects the culinary traditions of numerous cultures, and continues to inspire cooks around the world with its versatility and distinctive character. As we explore this fascinating plant in greater detail, we will discover its botanical origins, historical journey, different varieties, cultivation methods, nutritional composition, health benefits, cooking techniques, storage recommendations, and its enduring role in traditional and contemporary cuisine. Understanding the artichoke means appreciating not only what it brings to the table, but also the remarkable story behind one of nature's most unique edible flower buds. Before you go, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if someone popped into your mind while watching this, send it their way. We're all in this together.